this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can install YouTube Music to your iPhone 14, 14 Pro, Pro Max or any other version of Apple phone. In this case, you have to go to App Store, hit this button. One most important thing for downloading anything from App Store, you have to have Apple account. If you don't know and if you don't have Apple account, check my video, check the video description. You'll find a video to do that. Here at the corner, you have searching option, hit this one. In searching option, you have to tap here and type Y. You will see YouTube and YouTube Music, hit this one. So here we go, the second option, YouTube Music. Hit for download. Let's see, it's downloading and it's done. I will slide it up and let's see here, YouTube Music, and hit this one. If your YouTube account is connected with your phone or previous iPhone, it will detect. As you see here, is detecting my email address of my YouTube account. So what I have to do, I have to hit continue with my account. I have many channels, so I have to decide which one. I hit one. Here we go. Allow permission and it's done. So YouTube Music is connected with my phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.